my name is Prashant Rajput, and the environment over here is very good. Uh,
Okay.
can you proceed?
Are you a student or professional?
Currently, I'm a student.
Okay. How many NPTEL courses have you completed so far?
So far, I've completed my. This is going to be my second exam, NPTEL exam.
Okay. Name of the course for which you did the exam?
So today, my exam was blockchain and its application.
Is this online or offline?
It was online.
Online. Did you find it easy to answer the question online?
No, the questions were a bit complicated, but the fact is that it was at the same time it was challenging. So which was making me to learn the thing in a very positive way. So that was a kind of good experience for me.
Were there questions from outside the portions covered in the course?
Um, kind of previous year questions, kind of. I wasn't sure about that, but the fact is that the most things that I have learned that are in the exam.
Did questions come from assignments for the exam?
Some of those.
Were you able to submit all the assignments?
Yes.
How is the NPTEL course different from what you learn at your college?
NPTEL course is different from what we learned from our college is that in this course we get an option to learn and we get a time to we have to choose our time, like when we have to study, when we not have to study. And you see, if the time is near over, then every material is available online, so we don't have to worry, like we don't have to go for finding books and all that. So,
How does this help you understand concepts better?
yeah, it was, you see, Nepal is providing us the teacher from like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Ropur. So you see, those are pioneers from these subjects. So if they are teaching us something that, and we are blindly not believing it, but the fact is that I'm able to understand those languages, and they are those videos are making me learn in a very good way.
Did you watch the video lessons by yourself or in groups with your friends?
Uh, Actually, we did it in both ways because it sometimes saves our data uses also. So that's it.
Did you seek any help from faculty at your college?
Yeah, sometimes we used to ask any help from them if something is very complicated, we are not able to understand. So in that cases,
Were you active in the course discussion forum?
sometimes, not every time.
Were your queries answered in a timely fashion?
Yeah.
Okay. On average, how much time did you have to spend on NPTEL video lessons per week?
You see, the per video lesson is about 23 to 20 minutes per lecture. So in that way, if 1 week lectures in 1 week consist of 5 or more lectures, so that way for one day, if you give for 1 hour, then I think you will be able to complete the whole course.
Did your course have PDF transcript?
Yeah,
Okay. Was it useful?
it was useful, but it will be very useful if you are like looking at the PDF also, and at the same time you should be trying to hear what the like teacher is telling you in that video.
How do you plan to use the certificate?
This certificate is not actually something that I am planning to use, but the fact is that I am doing this because I want to learn something. You see, technology is vastly growing in these days, and NPTEL is doing a great job by providing us such kind of knowledgeable things in an online manner.
Do you have any suggestion to improve the portal?
For currently, I don't have any such kind of suggestions in my mind, but if there is, so then I will definitely tell them in a mail or something like that.
Okay. How do you propose to use the course for credit, for internship, just to learn a subject?
You see, in some courses, like in some colleges, it is made mandatory to learn something from Swayam and NAPTEL. So some of the students are like giving this exam for those purposes only. Like I should have 3 credits or 2 credits, and in which in turn I will get the what we call that degree. But it's not like that. See, NAPTEL is providing us such a good opportunity. So we should be like from our side that we should learn as much as possible.
How the location of the exam center is easy to reach?
That is a question. So I believe that yeah, this location is good. But the fact is that for some students, see, my hometown is Jorhat. So I have came from 360 kilometers to just give this examination. So, but the fact is that this location is easily available in Google Map, but I had to like travel for one day and spend my time in my friend's room. Then only I am able to get this. So I believe that if district-wise venues are available, then it will be much easier.
Facilities are okay.
Yes, facilities are good over here, and this like environment, exam environment, it's very